Okay, let's go over example 4, real life application. This is part of chapter 3, section 2, writing expressions. Problem A says a TV show has 19 episodes per season. Part 1 is to copy and complete the table. Okay, so I've started the table, we're going to complete it. And then part 2 says to write an expression for the number of episodes in N seasons. Okay, well, let's start with what we know. We know that a show has 19 episodes per season, and we're going to let N be the seasons. So if it's 19 per season, we're going to multiply 19 times N. N is the number of seasons. So our algebraic expression is just 19N. And remember, if we have a number next to a variable, just like in this expression, we're multiplying. Okay, so let's fill out this table and use the expression that we came up with. So 19 episodes. And then how many seasons? Well, season 1, so it'd be 19 times 1. And remember, if I replaced 1 with the N, so I'm going to put parentheses around the 1 so that we know we're multiplying. And 19 times 1, well, that's 19. Okay, let's find out how many episodes after 2 seasons. So there's 19 episodes in each season times 2 for 2 seasons, and that would be 38. Okay, using our formula again, so we have 19 episodes, and this time we're in the 3rd season, so it'll be 19 times 3, and that would be 57 episodes. And how about 4? Well, 19, then parentheses 4 for 4 seasons. 19 times 4 is 76. And after 5 seasons. So 19, parentheses 5, 114 episodes. Okay, so you can see we used the same formula, but we replaced N with the number of seasons. Okay, let's try another one. Problem B says it costs $3 to bowl a game and $2 for shoe rental. Part 1 says make a table for the cost of up to 5 games. Okay, so I've got the table started down here. Part 2 says write an expression for the cost of G games, and then we're going to use that expression to find the cost of 8 games. Okay, so let's focus on our expression here. Well, what do we know? It costs $3 to bowl a game, so $3 per game, so it'd be 3G, and $2 for shoe rental, so plus $2. So again, it costs $3 to bowl a game, and we're going to let G be the variable for games. So it'll be 3 times G and $2 for shoes, so plus 2. Now, it doesn't say you have to pay $2 for each game, right? It's just $2 for the whole day for the shoe rental. So it'll just be plus 2. Okay, so let's fill out the table for up to 5 games, and then after that, we'll find the cost for 8 games. I encourage you to pause the video and see if you can fill out this table on your own. Okay, so let's use our formula here. So the cost would be 3, and then we're playing 1 game, so parentheses 1. Remember, if we have a number next to a variable, they're being multiplied. And when you replace that variable with a number, like I just did, I replaced 1 for G, then I put the 1 in parentheses. Plus 2. Okay, well, first we would solve 3 times 1, which is 3, and 3 plus 2 is 5. So that would be the cost for 1 game. Okay, let's find out for 2 games. Using our same formula, 3 and the parentheses 2 for 2 games, plus $2 for shoes. We would solve 3 times 2 first, which would be 6, because of order of operations, right? Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Parentheses, exponents. Please excuse my multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. Okay, so 3 times 2 is 6, plus 2 more is 8. So the cost for 2 games would be $8. Okay, 3, and then parentheses 3 for 3 games, plus 2. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 2 more is 11. Now notice, for each game, we're increasing by $3. Let's see if that's true for the 4th game. 3 parentheses 4, plus 2. 3 times 4 is 12, plus 2 more is 14. Oh, again, we went up by 3. And the reason for that is because each game costs another $3. So of course we would be increasing by 3 for each game. Okay, how about after 5 games? 3 parentheses 5 plus 2. 3 times 5 is 15 plus 2 is 17. $17. Okay, now let's find the cost after 8 games. So cost of 8 games. Okay, so let's see. Let's use our formula. So it'll be 3 parentheses 8 plus 2. Well, again, we would solve multiplication first. So 3 times 8 is 24 plus 2 more would be $26. So the cost of 8 games is $26. And we just use our formula, 3g plus 2, to solve that. We replaced 8 with the g because we played 8 games, and we got $26.